people. Welcome to today's session. Today's understanding of the gold market. So let's begin in today's session. Well, first of all, welcome to my channel, and I would want you to and request you to kindly please like, follow, and share as much as you can. We'll try and make a lot of videos on the basics, fundamentals, and also the technical analysis of a particular video so that you can also go through that. And right now, let's understand what's with the Forex. So, coming back to the point, as we see today, being Wednesday, we have got a few news for USD as non-farm employment change. And at 7 o'clock, there is ISM service PMI. Now, a very important news today, so we have to understand, and plus there is, of course, Federal Chairman Powell will be speaking as well. So that is also a very important news that we have to consider, right? Whenever this guy speaks, I'm sure you must have seen in the past as well that there is a lot of fluctuation that happens after that, right? Or while he's speaking as well. Now, so it all depends. Now let's come back to our technical analysis for the day as to where the goal is going to be, right? But it has already touched 2650 on the current situation right now, just before the UK session opening up. However, let's understand that today the point of discussion for us would be 2643. Now, 2643 is where the market started. It did, take a dip down, right? However, with the super trend, it just touched on this line and just went back up again. It crossed the point of discussion for today. So, as we understand and as we always discuss, that if the market is below this, we will consider sell. If the market is above this, we will consider buy. So, if you see the market when this candle, it closed above the point of discussion line of 2643. Yes, and excuse me, and it went up. It tried to cross down further back again, but it wasn't able to, and that's where we got the confirmation that yes, now this is going to be buy, which it happened, and it has touched 2649 right now. Now, understanding one thing, let's see, considering the market as to the way market is going, if the market from here goes upwards, your first take profit should be 2650 to 2652, right? Because it will certainly try and fall down before that, and 2648, and then if it crosses back again, then we know that we have a bigger one of 2664, right? Now, provided if it does not fall below this again with this line, it will just follow and reach towards this 2685 as the final point, yeah, for the day. Now, in case the market, of course, falls down from here and comes down, we know that it will, your first take profit should be somewhere over here. That's a line that is 2637. Okay. Well, you can certainly extend it till 2635 as well. All right. However, just be careful on that. And then you will see that there should be some kind of correction coming into the picture. Once that thing happens, if it's not able to and falls down further, then we have our major target of 2625 back again. Yeah. Now, when this thing happens and it goes down further, then the final one being 2617 as the last target, for the day, right? Of course, there is a possibility that it can cross and be in this fair value gap as well. However, I see that you have to, of course, analyze it and wait for the market. So all we're going to do right now is when we see the position which is above the point of discussion rate for the day, I see that we wait till 2652, we close our profits and we wait for a while for the confirmation whether it is crossing this or it is not. Because if it is not crossing this previous low downwards, then it is certainly going up. But if it's crossing this previous down below, if this candle closes below this, then we can expect it to reach back to 2643, where you can have your first take profit on the sell position. So here's what it is, and just keep okay. And this is what the goal analysis for the day is. Well, rest as far the news is concerned, there is not a lot of important news as such which is coming in. Though it seems that Ukraine seems to be exhausted with Russia. So let's just check. Just give me one quick moment. I'm sorry about that. So that's all you got to focus on. And news be at the time is because there is a fluctuation expected. I would want you not to take a lot of risk during the news unless you trade that way. Okay. But honestly, today you might see the market certainly giving a lot of fluctuation, which it might just break out these two sections that we have been running under since a very, very long time. And you see that this can break today, or either this can be touched today. So just keep the range in mind. Always, I always say this, always keep the range. We have a trend line. If you look at 1 hour chart, we have a trend line which is passing by, right? This trend line. Now, this is the trend line which is very, very important. And still, if you see, you have to close down your profits and wait for the confirmation. Close down your profits, wait for the confirmation. And this is the way you're going to do everywhere, right? So be careful. However, the range might be broken today. So wait and watch. Play safe. Don't take a lot of risk. So, in that case, you have a wonderful day. Tomorrow we will see you again with our news on gold. All right. So you have a lovely day. Thank you so much. And please like, subscribe, and share the video as much as you can. Thank you.